Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable screen sharing on Zoom. So if you're admin and you want to disable the screen sharing feature, then you can easily disable this in Zoom and people will not be able to share their screen. So how do you do it? Click your account on the upper right hand side and hover over profile and click on my profile. This is going to take you into the settings, and if you scroll on the left, you can find the settings right there, and you can now go ahead and click on meeting at the top here. Now you want to scroll all the way down towards the bottom, you will find the section there, and it's going to allow you to easily disable screen sharing. So on the meeting, scroll down and you should find it under this section here. So here's the screen sharing. You can easily turn this off, and basically you will see what's going to be disabled, as you can see right here. Then just click on disable, and once you disable it, that's it. Screen sharing is now disabled on Zoom.